Okay, so Juan actually came today instead of tomorrow. He said he was gonna come Thursday, but he came today instead. Alright, so this got straightened out. He lifted that back up. He added that piece of wood right there, the one that looks more brown than green, and the one behind it. And then he added some reinforcement right there. It's another piece of wood. He added this right here and this. So that's not dented in anymore. Here's another one that got added, this one right here. Underneath this is cement. He threw dirt on top. So he added this one, and that one over there. He also added that piece of wood, that long piece of wood right there. This one was also added. It's real long. He added this right here. So those are the first ones I showed you. And then there's the other set that I showed you. Okay. This corner right here was actually sinking in. I think that might be another reason why it was so wobbly. So he lifted this up. It was at least almost 3 inches lower than that side over there. So that's also got cement right there. Every single one's got cement. So that one's got cement, that one's got cement, and that one's got cement. Over here he added this other one right there. I think you can see from here, that's the middle that was added. There's Pelucha. That's got cement, that one and that one. So this is the one, the other one that he added. That's got cement as well. He added cement to this one. Just put dirt on it. That one. I think this one was okay. He didn't bother with that one. So there you go. Now tomorrow, it's gonna rain a lot. I think that's why he did this today. Tomorrow he's going to get that piece right here, the one that the tree knocked out. He's gonna fix that. And let's see. And then the stairs, he's also gonna fix the stairs as well. He cut the grass. I told him he didn't have to, but he insisted. He didn't want me to pay him either for it. So the stairs is he's also gonna help fix these stairs. I think what he's gonna do is he's gonna add a piece of wood here to here, so that when you're going down the stairs, it's not like bending. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break. And that's it. And Pelucha, where are you going? You going back upstairs? And that's it. All right, I'll talk to you later, Mom. Call me if anything.